Hello students, today we will be solving question number 9 from the chapter 5, that is heat. That is, this question is from exercise only, that is solve the following problems. First example is equal heat is given to two objects A and B of mass 1 gram. Temperature of A increases by 3 degrees Celsius and B by 5 degrees Celsius. Which object has more specific heat and by what factor? So here given things are mass M is equal to 1 gram. Delta T1 is 3 degrees Celsius. Delta T2 is 5 degrees Celsius. And Q is same for both the objects as equal heat is given to both the objects. Therefore, heat corresponds to object A is equal to M into C1 delta T1 and heat corresponds to object B is equal to M into C2 delta T2. We know both the objects have equal heat, that is QA is equal to QB. Therefore, we will put the values of QA and QB in this. Then here mass is same, due to that both the mass will cancel from left hand side also and right hand side also. So what is remaining? C1 into delta T1 is equal to C2 into delta T2. Now next step is what we have to do here? We have to take all the specific heat on one side and all the temperature difference will be on another side. So here C1 is there. So next here right hand side C2 will come here. So here it will be divided. Now here right hand side delta T2 is there. So from left hand side delta T1 will be here. That is delta T2 upon delta T1. That is equal to 5 degrees Celsius upon 3 degree Celsius. Therefore C1 upon C2 is equal to 5 upon 3. Therefore this 3 will go this side. That is 3 C1 is equal to this. C2 will go this side. 5 C2. Now from here we will calculate the value of C1. C1 is equal to 5 upon 3 C2. Means here we got C1 is greater than C2. Means specific heat of object A is greater than specific heat of object B. So therefore the specific heat of A is more than that of B. And specific heat of A upon specific heat of B is equal to 5 upon 3. Now second example, liquid ammonia is used in ice factory for making ice from water. If water at 20 degrees Celsius is to be converted into 2 kilogram ice at 0 degrees Celsius, how many grams of ammonia are to be evaporated? So given things are the latent heat of vaporization of ammonia is equal to 341 calorie per gram. Now from this we will write first of all given things. M1 is equal to 2 kilogram, delta T1 is equal to 20 degree minus 0 degree, that will be 20 degree Celsius. C1 is equal to 1 kilocalorie per kilogram degree Celsius. Now L1 of ice, latent heat of ice is 80 kilocalorie per kilogram. Latent heat of vaporization of ammonia, that is 341 calorie per gram. Now this calorie per gram we will convert it into kilocalorie per kilogram. How to convert? Let us see. We know 1 kilocalorie is equal to 1000 calorie. Therefore 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So to this 341 it will divide by 1000 and multiply it by 1020. So it will be 341. Here 1000 will cancel and due to that remaining factor is 341 kilocalorie per kilogram. Now here we have to find out M2, that is equal to question mark. So Q, that is heat lost by water, is equal to M1 into C1 into delta T1 plus M1 L1. We will put the values is equal to 2 into 1 into 20 plus 2 into 80. That is equal to 40 plus 160, it will be 200 kilocalorie. Therefore, Q2 is the heat absorbed by ammonia, that is equal to M2 into L2. So M2 into L2 value is what? Here that is 341 kilocalorie per gram. Okay. So from this, according to the principle of heat exchange, that is Q1 is equal to Q2. So therefore we will put the values of Q1, that is 200. Here Q2 value, that is M2 into 341 kilocalorie per kilogram. Therefore M2 is equal to 200 upon 341. So here we have to make first of all 341 stable, and with the help of that we have to divide, that is 200 divided by 341. After this we will get the division, that is 341 divided by 200, that division will come 0.5864. So we will write here 0.5864 kilogram. Then here we have to convert it into gram. So we are going to multiply it by 1000. Therefore that is equal to 586.4 gram. Therefore 586.4 gram of ammonia are to be evaporated.